Let's see how you can actually build an AI chatbot for lead generation purposes that can simply work on Facebook page, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, SMS, website, chat widget, and other channels too. So here I'm in a demo account. First of all, you need to connect all the support channels. So if you want to build an AI chatbot on WhatsApp, then you need to connect the WhatsApp business phone number right here. Otherwise, if you want to build an AI chatbot on Instagram, you need to connect your Instagram account as well. So if you're wondering how, click on channels option over here. It will take you directly to settings, channels right here, where you can easily connect any channels you like. For example, for Instagram, you need to simply log in with your Instagram and enable all the permissions and simply connect it. That's it. So it will just take a few seconds for you to connect all these channels. For example, if you want to build an AI chatbot through the SMS, you will need to connect to your phone number as well. For example, if you click on learn more, here we have the step-by-step guide on how to connect each of these channels. So this is for the SMS, and if you're wondering how the WhatsApp connection works, simply click on learn more. Again, you will see the step-by-step guide. So here is for the SMS. You will need to grab the account SID and host token and simply connect the specific phone number on our platform. And for the WhatsApp, you can do the same as well. For example, you can connect your existing WhatsApp business app as well. Otherwise, you can actually use a new phone number as well. All right. So once it is connected, you can actually build any sort of automations on these channels. And here for the AI, in the integrations, you can actually connect any of these API keys as well. For example, you can connect the OpenAI, Google Gemini, Cloud, XAI, or DeepSeek as well. So here again, if you are wondering how to connect the OpenAI, click on this OpenAI, learn more, and it will take you directly to the specific OpenAI guide, where you can simply visit this specific website address or OpenAI platform and create a new secret key and simply connect it. That's it. So once it is done, you can actually build any sort of AI chatbots, and you will have to go to the AI hub over here, where you can create any sort of AI chatbots or AI agents for your own business. So here we have some AI agents created before, so let me use one existing as well. For example, let me use the Greenscape landscaping solutions right here. All right, so let me open that one and show you what we have right there. So here it has all the information about that specific company, including the prompt instructions on how to generate the responses as well. For example, you're a official customer service assistant to this particular company right there. And here, if you scroll down, you have all the information about that specific company, what areas they serve, the services, the pricing, and other details as well. So here, if you scroll down, here you have the option to use the AI tools, where you can create specific AI functions right here to collect specific customer details. So that's where the lead generation happens over here. So you can actually create any sort of AI functions as you like and activate that specific AI functions for this specific AI agent and use that to collect specific customer details as well. You can even upload specific files and use that for more information about the specific business as well. For example, let me go to the AI functions or AI tools and show you how you can actually create the AI function to collect specific customer details. So let me click save for now. All right, it has been saved, and here you have two tabs in the AI hub, AI agents and AI tools. So click on AI tools. In the file section, you can actually upload any sort of files and select those files for the specific AI agent as well. Likewise, you can actually create any sort of AI functions and use that AI functions to collect specific customer details as well. For example, if you click on add new, here you have the option to define the AI function. For example, book appointments. And what does this function do? Allows the user to book the appointment, and here you can specify what details you want to collect, such as email, or if you want to collect specific phone number, name, customer name, and you can even collect other details like zip code or service offering or any sort of request, etc. And here, once you collect all these details, you can also set up a specific flow to trigger as well, and you can also send the successful output message as well. All right, so here let me use the existing one right here. For example, let me use get discount email a function. So let me open this one. So it says get discount email allows the user to get a discount, and here to get a discount we actually collect a specific customer's name and email only. So once they provide those details, we actually trigger the flow which says a chatbot email confirmation, and we also send the successful message as well. So once they provide their name and email address, we send them a message saying please check your email for the discount coupon, something like that. So this will be modified by the AI as well, and here this flow is triggered after they share the name and email address. So AI chatbot email confirmation is the flow name. So here let me go to the flows section and show you the specific flow as well. So let me open the flows section over here. So here I'm in the flow section, and let me open. This is the flow AI chatbot email confirmation, which we have in the specific a function right here. All right, so let me show that specific flow as well. So here we set the email opt-in. That means we have the permission to send them an email, and here we send them an email natively within the platform as well using send email block. And here this is the specific discount coupon sent in the email, 10% off in the landscaping service. And you can even send multiple emails as well. So here, just for the demo, in 20 seconds we sent another email as well asking whether they actually used that specific discount coupon or not, just for the demo. All right, so let me make sure this published. All right, it's published, and the a function is get discount email. So now we have to go back to the AI agent, open the specific greenscape landscaping company AI agent, and scroll down right here and select the specific function get discount email. So here get discount email. So this is the a function. So we have activated this a function, and we can also add a prompt right here saying, so here I have added a prompt saying trigger the a function get discount email. So that's the exact function we are using right here, get discount email for discount inquiries. A very simple prompt as well, just to trigger the a function when required for the discounts. All right, so that's how it works. And here, if you click on this option, here you have the option to set specific AI models as well. For example, if you want to use the OpenAI, set this one as the first priority, so it will always try to generate a response from the OpenAI, and then it will use other existing models as well. All right, so let me use GPT 5.4 for this specific AI agent. So whenever a particular customer asks any sort of questions, it will always try to generate a response from the GPT 5.4. Only if it fails, or if the server is down, something else, it will try to generate a response from the Gemini as well. If both of these model fails, it will try to generate a response from the cloud right here as well. So here you can set multiple AI models right here, so your AI agent function 24/7, even if one AI models or one AI platform goes down as well. All right, and here you can set the temperature and other things as well. So let me click on save over here. Alright, it has been saved. So let's make this as a default agent as well, so it will simply work on all the connected channels right there. Alright, so here we have connected all these channels, and if you want to delay the responses, we can also do that as well. You have to simply go to settings. Over here in settings you will see general bot reply delay. So here you can set how long the bot waits before replying the user's last message. If the user sends another message, the timer resets and messages are queued into a single response as well. So here you can set a specific time frame of delaying the customer's responses as well. Even if the particular customer asks some questions, it will wait few seconds to send a response as well. So if they ask multiple questions, it will, the timer resets and wait for a few seconds. You set up right here, and response is queued into a single response as well. Simple as that. All right, but I'm not going to delay the responses over here. Let's test how this actually works. So you can actually test this on any of these channels. So let's test this on the Facebook page. So the Facebook page connected is demo chatting media. So let me go to that specific Facebook page. Here, this is the Facebook page, and send a message over here saying, what services do you provide? So here I'm sending a message on the Facebook page asking about the services they provide. So it should actually generate a response and send us right here. So here we receive the response. It says we provide full service residential and commercial landscaping throughout these areas. Our services include all these services right here, and we also offer maintenance plans if you would like ongoing care for your property. If you want, we can help narrow down the best option based on your price. Simple as that. So it simply provide all the details right here for them. All right, and if you ask about the pricing, it will work as well. For example, let me ask about example for tree removal, they charge 500 to 5,000. So it actually depends. So let me ask this and see how this actually works. How much do you charge for a tree removal? All right, so let me send this and see how this actually works. So it will actually send us a response based on the information we have right here. So let's see. So it says our tree removal pricing typically ranges from 500 to 5,000 depending on the size and the complexity of the jobs. If it is an emergency tree service, there is an additional 250 emergency fee as well. Simple as that. It simply sends us the response as well. So likewise, if you ask any sort of question, it will simply generate a response. And here, if you want to see how the lead generation works, so if they actually incur about a discount, then it will trigger the discount AI function and collect specific customer details and then send them the email as well. So let's see how this actually works. For example, can I get a special discount please? So here I'm asking about a discount and see what happens over here. So it says we would be happy to help with that. Please send us your name and email address and we will get your discount request submitted right away. Simple as that. So let me see. So here I'm sending a message saying my name is James Austin. So here I'm providing only my name. Let's see what happens. So it should simply request the customer to provide their email as well to get the specific discount. So it says thanks James Austin, we just need your email address, so we will be submit your discount request right away. Simple as that. So let me provide an email as well. So here let me provide a temporary email address found online. So let me copy this email address and send that email address right here as well. All right, I am providing an email address as well, so all the emails will be sent to the specific email address I just provided. So it says thanks James Austin, we have submitted your discount request, please check your email for your discount coupon. Simple as that. So let's go to the specific email address and see if we have received any sort of email. So here we have actually received an email right here saying demo from test@chatting right here. So let's see what sort of email we have received. So here this is the email. Subject, enjoy 10% off your next landscaping service, and this is the exact email we set up right here as well. So here if you go to the email right here, a chatbot email confirmation, so this is the exact email we set up right here, and in 20 seconds it will send another email as well. So let me go back to the list over here and see if we have receiving any other emails as well. So here we received the second email, quick question about the 10% off discount. So this is just a follow-up email asking about whether they have actually used that specific discount coupon right there. So here you see the exact email we set up right here. Simple as that. So that's how it simply collect a particular customer details through the simple chat, through their name and email address just for the demo, and simply send them emails as well. And here if you go to the unified inbox, you can track all these conversation happened. So we chat through the Facebook page. So let me go to the inbox and see if we can find the latest conversation from the Facebook Messenger. So here it says Messenger, and here you see all the chats happened right there. They ask few questions, and then the lead generation process work by providing their name, James Austin, and the email address as well. So here the email is recorded as well. Simple as that. And from here also agent can easily jump in and talk with the customers, and here you can even mark this conversation as follow-up and later send specific messages or filter this conversation through follow-up and send them specific messages as well. So the possibilities are endless right here, and it works the same on other supported channels as well. For example, it works on the website chat widget, WhatsApp, Instagram, TikTok, and other channels too. And that's a quick video on how you can actually build an AI chatbot for lead generation. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments. Thank you.